Hey guys, what's up? It's your favorite girl here, Bex21, and I'm back at it with another video. If you haven't seen me before, my name's Bex, my name's Becca, my name's Rebecca. You can call me whatever you like, sis, but don't call me Becky. Oh, I almost said it, sis. First things first, I just want to get into it because you guys are probably like, why is this random video here? We haven't seen you. So I'm just gonna tell you guys about that. I will put timestamp below in the comment section. So if you guys just want to skip past this and you don't know where I went or what happened to me or about my surgery, then just keep on pushing and then I'll tell you guys. For those of you who are interested and care about me and love me and are amazing, I had my wisdom teeth removal like I told you guys I was going to have, okay? And sis, I did not know it was gonna be as bad as it was, but I was nervous. I'm glad I was as nervous because I was prepared myself, you know, like mentally for everything. The pain was on another level. My godmom told me, she was like, it's gonna be worse than childbirth. And woo, yes, it's worse than I passed out from cramps because I have PCOS. A lot of moms like to say, oh, well, you never had a baby, so you don't know what it's like. It's like, yes, I do know what it's like because I've literally passed out from the pain. I've had my pelvis move. I've had my hips move. Like, I know what all of that feels like. That's another reason why I don't want to have a damn kid, because I've already experienced the worst set of pain to the point where my body can't handle it and I'm passing out, okay? So, and this happened multiple times. I think it's happened at least 5 times, but nothing was like these teeth, okay? I had all 4 wisdom teeth removed. I'm still swollen. As you guys can see, this little pocket, it's just jelly, like this little thing here. Y'all can finally see my jawline coming through. Somebody was trying to talk shit about my jawline. You can never, okay? Look at the now. You can't fix you need surgery, period. I mean, I got surgery, but y'all get the gist. But you can kind of see it's bubbling though down here. It's still swollen here. It's swollen right here on my cheekbone. And the same thing is going on over here. Over here today is really bad, actually. Like, this is all just swelling here. Doing my makeup is still tender. Mind you, it's 4 weeks now. They had to do 2 bone grafts on the bottom and then 2 just removal on the top. It was a whole nother mess and I just went a hiatus. Like, I thought I was gonna be able to upload and do that, but all I had time was to do school and I still didn't even have time to do that. And I'm graduating this semester, so I gotta hurry the hell up, you know? So there's that. If you guys don't see videos from me for a while, or I skip, or I'm not Monday, Wednesday, Friday, you guys know why. You know, I was taking a break for myself as well as trying to get better. But after school's over and everything like that, I'm definitely gonna jump back into everything with you guys. We're gonna be right here, of course. But, you know, without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and get right into the video. So you guys see my nails? Can y'all see? I know they cute, ain't they? They remind me of sunflower seeds, but it matches my outfit. Like, it's that little pop, but it kind of pulls back. You guys know I'm not a fan of really short nails, but I actually kind of like these. I want to kind of do a different revenue or avenue for you guys, because I know not everybody likes ghetto, you know, ghetto BI nails, and you know, I can understand. So I want to do something for everybody. A company called PrincessPressOns emailed me and they wanted to go ahead and do a giveaway for you guys, as well as hook up your sister with some press-on nails. So I thought I would just go ahead and do that. Let me go ahead and give you guys some insight on the company and just kind of what you know, so you know what you're supporting, because I find that that's like really important to at least me. Like, I'm not gonna sell my soul for a product, you know what I mean? Like, I want to know who you are in a sense. Like, I want to know what's my money going to. Are you gonna do coke? You know what I mean? Y'all know what I'm talking about. Okay, so a little background. She is a 19-year-old college student, been doing nails for 4 years, and she did nails for so much and people kept talking about her nails were so bomb and like, you should do nails, you shouldn't do nails. So she started to learn and do something that would make it easy for her and more like efficient, but also easy for clients and other people who like to change and things like that. And she knows a lot of people can afford it. I mean, being a college student, like, I understand, like, ducks in a row, bitch, ducks in a row. I am very particular with my money. Like, you know, oh, I'm not gonna spend it, I'm not gonna go here, I'm not gonna be doing this, I'm not gonna be doing that. I'm not going to go broke because I wanna live my life right now, but y'all get the point. She also offers discount codes on her website, and so make sure you guys go check that out. I'm going to input some pictures of some of her nails that she has. These ones were like, they stood out to me, you know, they rang my bell. Ring my bell. Okay, we can't get demonetized because YouTube been playing. You gotta sing like 2 seconds of the song, okay, sis? I'm gonna show you guys everything you need to get these press-on nails, as well as a new nail glue, because I discovered this new nail glue. I already told you guys about it in my last video, but nobody listened to me. So I'm just gonna tell you guys about it again now. So let's go ahead and get straight into the video. So for the things that you're going to need, some alcohol. I'm gonna use 91%, and of course your cotton rounds. This time around, I'm gonna use a nail file. Somebody in my last video was like, oh my god, you pulled out a full manicure kit, and I clicked off. But like, if you guys would just listen to me, like I literally said you don't have to use the manicure file. You can use a nail file too, but I'm gonna use a nail file just to show you that you can. And then we have the nail set again that I showed you guys already here. We're gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm gonna take these out of the package and measure them before I prep my nails, because that's kind of the better thing to do. So every set comes with 18 sets of nails, so I feel like that's super great for you guys to have, and it's kind of a good variety. So if you have bigger nails or anything like that, just looking at them, I can tell I'll be able to figure out my size. So I'm gonna get right into it. Let me measure them out. All right, so excuse the table. I literally just did my makeup right here. All right. This nail fits me perfectly. Okay, those two are the same. Okay, so it took me a little while to figure them out. They aren't numbered, and the problem is the way my hands are. These 3 fingers are very close in size. These 2 are exactly the same size, and then this one is just slightly bigger. So I tend to usually have problems like that. I'm just gonna go ahead and file with the grittier side, which is the 100 grit side, and I'm literally just scraping up my nail, getting off that shiny layer. And see, you don't really need a manicure kit. Like I said, you can get one, but you don't have to. You could just buy a nail file pack and just do it this way. The other one is a little bit faster, and it is a little easier. Y'all seeing all my chi-chi today. You know, this is the outfit I'm wearing today, so it's just gonna be that. Hashtag what's the waist though. I am running late right now to a gender reveal. Hopefully I actually get to experience them revealing the gender. I don't know. I have a feeling it's a girl. What y'all feel like it is, go ahead and throw that in the comments. I'll let y'all know after. So we put the alcohol in the cotton rounds, and we're just cleaning up all that dust that we created. This is the new glue that I was talking about in the beginning. I showed you guys the Loctite glue before, but this glue, baby, this glue, here, I'm gonna get close to the camera so you guys can see. This is the Gorilla Super Glue Gel. I did mention this in my last video, but none of you guys really caught on. This one will keep your nails on for a month. If you prep your nails right and you take care of yourself, they're gonna stay on for a long time. The only thing is, you see how it's all coming out from the pressure? That tends to happen with these. A lot of pressure builds up, and then it just wants to start spewing out everywhere. So again, I put it all over the nail, and I'm just gonna push the nail back on the cuticle a little, push down and hold. Ooh, this matches my outfit, I just realized. Ooh, I don't want no super glue on the table. My boyfriend gonna be mad. See that? Y'all see it now. And then boom, bitch. Nails is popping, you hear me? All right, so we're gonna take this. Again, same deal. Push the cuticle back, kind of. Make sure that they're aligned, and press and hold. Press and hold, press and hold, press and hold. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish and continue the rest of these, and then I'll come back. All right, so this is the final look of all the nails. They are done here, right here. They match so well with my little fit or whatever, what I got going on today. Yes, bitch. Yes, bitch. Yeah. Yes, bitch. Ooh, is my eyelash coming up? And none of y'all hoes done told me. I do want to mention that the owner gave me a discount code for you guys. For all of you guys who use my discount code, you get 10% off, and it's Bex21, like my YouTube name, BEKKS21, so you guys can get 10% off her website. I will put everything down below in the description box, so y'all can be looking cute as me. And for the giveaway details, I know I left that out at the end, right? You see how I got y'all? I got y'all. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys the giveaway details. Okay, so 1 subscriber, you hear that? 1 subscriber will win a nail set from Princess Press On. Okay, are you guys ready? All right, so in order to be entered into this giveaway, here are the things you have to do. 1, you have to be subscribed to my channel, okay? Subscribe. So you have to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Bex21, of course, which will be down below. Go ahead and hit that red bell button. Then you have to go ahead and follow PrincessPressOns on Instagram. And the last thing that I ask you guys to do is DM me a screenshot that you're subscribed to my channel, and DM me a screenshot that you follow follow PrincessPressOns, okay? And just send that to my Instagram. Here is my Instagram, and I will leave my Instagram down below. I'll leave everything down below. So literally, it's very simple. Anybody can enter, anybody can get it. If you don't want to go ahead and do the giveaway, girl, 10% off using my code. Okay, I don't get any coin for this. This is just for you guys. She just wanted to do something nice for you guys. So y'all hoes be grateful, okay? Be grateful. I look cute today. I gotta cover this up though, because we around family. You guys wondering what lip gloss this is? This is Private Party from the Crayon Case, and a Bittersweet lip liner from MAC. That's it. And it look good, don't it? I know. Shut up. I'm just kidding. Thank you guys so much for watching my channel. I love you guys. Stay great, stay amazing, and go ahead and get your entries in. This giveaway is only gonna go for 2 weeks. So when this video goes up, it's 2 weeks after that. All the details again down below. Very simple. Giveaway, 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 because I love you guys. Period. Bye.